Building Muslim credit. The early days of Islam saw some of the most inspiring women, whose resilience, leadership, and dedication set a powerful example for future generations. Here are a few of the most revered women from Islamic history. Khadija bint Khuwaylid. May Allah be pleased with her. The first believer Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, the first wife of the Prophet Muhammad, may Allah be pleased with him, is one of the most iconic figures in Islamic history. Not only was she a successful businesswoman, but she was also the first person to accept Islam and support the Prophet. During the early days of revelation, her unwavering faith, strength, and commitment to Islam were pivotal in the early years of the Prophet's mission. Her story is one of immense resilience. She was a woman who stood by the Prophet through trials and difficulties, offering unwavering support. Khadija is remembered for her wisdom, generosity, and strength, and her legacy continues to inspire Muslim women worldwide.